Tutorials on the DigCompEDU framework. Area 4. Assessment. Assessment is central to learner motivation as well as providing accreditation. The introduction of different assessment systems has a major impact on education and training processes. In recent years, a new pedagogic paradigm has emerged, placing the learner as the central subject in the construction of their own learning. At the same time, there is an increasing trend of employers recruiting new staff based on skills and competences, rather than just qualifications. And this period has seen the increasing use of technology for teaching and learning. Uses of technology have become incredibly important in all forms of assessment, including language assessment. The affordances provided by digital devices, tools and apps increase opportunities for the implementation of assessment for the learning which meet learners' needs. Digital technologies also allow access to some of the difficult to describe or measure skills and dispositions, which underpin education. These invisible attributes contribute towards learners becoming, as they progress towards building their personal knowledge, skills and competences profile. Area 4 assessment addresses the concrete use of digital technologies for assessing student performance and learning needs, to comprehensively analyze existing performance data, and to provide targeted and timely feedback to learners. Assessment strategies. Learning and teaching cannot change if assessment remains the same. Teachers must be able to implement summative assessment strategies that more holistically capture learners' progress. They must be able to implement formative assessment strategies that help them and their learners to timely identify areas for improvements and adapt learning plans and teaching methods accordingly. Digital technologies are a great aid for both of these crucial aspects of teaching and learning in the digital age. Analyzing evidence. The more learning moves to digital environments, the more data is produced on learner activity. This is a huge resource for scientists to better understand how learning happens. Digitally competent teachers will be more and more required to be able to evaluate and interpret this data in view of improving teaching and learning. In general, teachers must be better prepared to combine and draw on all evidence available, digital or not, on learners' behavior, progress and problems to be able to develop personalized learning plans, supporting learner empowerment. Competence 5.2. Feedback and planning. In a digital age, the responsibility for deciding on learning pathways and options will move more and more to the learners themselves. Teachers must be able to support their decision-making and self-regulated learning by providing them timely, targeted and personalized feedback on progress. That is, they do not only have to be able to analyze available evidence for each individual learner, but also to communicate it effectively and implement it in the collaborative planning with learners.